Hello, I'm Baron Yarbrough with Spring Bolt and Nut Manufacturing, located here in Houston, Texas. We are a veteran-owned manufacturing facility. We are a fastener job shop with capabilities in CNC machining and also hot forming. So we are a hybrid of your typical CNC shop and also a traditional fastener manufacturer. I've been here 5 years and we've been using Blaser the entire time. It's a reliable coolant on all our machines and customer service is second to none. Hey guys, let's go check out the shop.